Hey friends, this is VTHO Pure Val and welcome to the update on VeThor. On the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that the price of VeThor is once again rejected by this very long-term uptrend and resistance. And now recently, it has again dropped down at this long-term support of $0.002 that has been previously breaking as a support here for several weeks. Before that, it has been acting as a resistance here. And again, it is breaking as a support. By the way, here for a while, the price then moved down below this support of $0.002, but recovered back. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous huge breakout that is already happened here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout when it was moving inside this wedge from 2022 to 2023. And I've been telling you in those days that once VeThor will be able to break out this wedge, then we can expect a very, very massive rally. And so far, from this low to here, you can see that the price of VeThor has rallied more than 1,249%, but could not break out this uptrend line resistance and this long-term resistance of 1.24 cents. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link with the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Maker. You just need to click on the link of the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 23rd of May 2025. And here you can also want the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reach the sell target zone. You can see that the price line entered the buying zone here. Then we had a nice reverse and the price line reached the sell target zone here. Now let's move to the live chart of VeThor. And here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that since we have broken out this wedge, we could not break out this long-term resistance of $0.007. This time, by the way, we had a long spike up to the next long-term resistance of 1.24 cents, but the price and again could not break out this resistance of $0.007 because the candlestick was not closed above this resistance, and now it is again dropped down at this long-term support of $0.002. By the way, it is also rejected by this long-term uptrend line resistance as well that is coming from the month of May 2022 when it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern. At that time, we found this resistance in the mid of June 2022. In fact, in the first week of June 2022, we got rejection here, another rejection, and this is the most recent rejection that is happening here in the month of January 2025. And now, in case of another massive reversal from here, first, we will need to break out this key resistance zone. That's not from $0.0045 and goes to $0.005, almost at half cents. It has been previously acting as a resistance zone here, and for several weeks a month, it has been acting as a support zone here as well. Now, here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And so far, the price end could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that long-term target is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at somewhere between 2.9 cents to 3 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.